Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to create toll manufacturing agreement. For this particular task, click on the link underneath this video and it will take you to legaltemplates.net. Once you click there, we want to focus on top of our screen for business forms and view all business forms. Right now, on the left side, we can go to service contract, and it's the last one, toll manufacturing agreement, or we can simply use the search engine. First of all, we have to pick a state. So I'm gonna go with Texas, as in every video. So who's the manufacturer? King company, for example, individual owned entity, address, city, state, and zip code. Who's a buyer? Description and specifications of a product and the raw material. Who will supply it, and many more. Warranties, payment options. If there are some tolling fees, add them up, don't worry. If there's interest, state it. Product delivery, buyer's address or different address. If you go with a different address, obviously you have to put it in. Which party will pay for the shipping costs? Usually it's a buyer. Next, product acceptance, term of agreement, termination agreement, defaults, miscellaneous, also governing law. I would go with the same one where it all started. Dispute. This is very personal thing, so you should know how you want to handle some situation if the whole thing goes south. And at the end we have an agreement date. Right now on the left side there is a preview, so I strongly recommend you checking the preview option, and if you fill every single form right, and then just save it and download it and enjoy it or sign it. Here we can also pick what type of trial we want to use if you don't feel like subscribing straight away, or if you're not a subscriber already. Basically, if I should put it easy, like the simpler, it's a $1 for 7 days if you need to create more legal forms, and that is way worth it. Or free trial if you don't need to create more, or the whole thing is just a one-time deal. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.